Hey guys, today's more on presentation. Python 2. And my name is Justin Wu. As you know, I presented Python 1, which is spring and 2023. I created Candy this time, and my idea was I was inspired by Candy because it's colorful, fun to count, and make a pattern with it. And I'm bored. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned to creating a search list. And so for the search list, you can set how many schedulers and then creating functions. We made a checklist function to see how many schedule we got and then the total schedule we got. Coding example, for creating a search list, I create, this is the part of my slide, and then this is the final score. So this final score is count all the things, and then you put this function, final score command, then you return final score. It means like print final score, but it prints the number of the schedules. Creating functions, those are def, creating functions, and then those are creating green branch checks, blue branch checks, and yellow branch checks, and more. For demo, I'm gonna just go on to the schedule game. For this game, if I run it, it will ask you how many schedule I want. Since I like candy, I'm gonna pick 4. Red schedule, in this, I'm gonna choose the wrong one. So for green is 4, but I'm gonna choose 1. And then green 4, blue yellow 4. Now it minus it, so now it's 9. And this is my program. Now let's back to the slide. For my favorite, this, because first, I like this eating candy and creating functions because the function let you name yourself or what it does. So random, when the game started, it doesn't give you the same thing every time. So it makes it harder for options. I like how I can just pick whatever I want, an option what the program do. And this is all my favorite things right there. And this is my favorite monkey too. How to improve my project? If I can improve my project, I will first, for the creating functions, maybe we could add a schedule and then a schedule branch check, then you will make the game more fun and good. We could ask more about the user and then start the game so he can know that this game doesn't just start and no questions about them that just start. For the last question, I would like to add a user like Candy, maybe change the schedule and then add the user like the Candy. Like if the user likes the Candy Jolly Rancher, it will take what color is your Jolly Rancher? Purple, green, blue, or whatever. And then calculate it like the schedule one. And thank you guys for listening to my presentation.